Teeth whitening, also known as bleaching, is a simple, non-invasive dental treatment used to lighten the color of natural tooth enamel and enhance the appearance of your smile. Teeth whitening can be done in a dental office or at home. The process uses a chemical called peroxide to whiten the teeth. The strength of the peroxide varies depending on the type of treatment. Teeth whitening is not permanent, and touch-ups may be needed after about a year or sooner if you smoke or regularly drink coffee, tea, or red wine. The tooth has a hard outer layer called enamel that protects it from chewing forces, injury, extreme temperatures, and chemicals. Over time, enamel gradually wears down, becomes more translucent, and develops tiny cracks. As this happens, the yellowish layer underneath, called dentin, becomes more visible. Stains and debris can also build up in these tiny cracks, causing teeth to look discolored or lose their shine. Teeth whitening can be performed in a dental office with a dentist-provided home kit, or by using over-the-counter products. It is recommended to have a full dental checkup first to determine the best option for you. In-office whitening is typically used for more severe staining and uses a higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide. During the procedure, your dentist will first protect your lips and gums. Then, a whitening gel containing hydrogen peroxide is carefully applied to your teeth. Your teeth are then exposed to a special light for about 45 minutes, usually in 3 15-minute sessions. The light helps activate the peroxide, releasing oxygen that breaks down stains on the teeth. Shade guides are used before and after the procedure to measure how much whitening has been achieved. If you choose a dentist-provided home kit, it usually requires 2 office visits. During the first visit, impressions of your teeth are taken to create custom-fit trays. At the second visit, the trays are checked and adjusted if needed. At home, you will wear the trays with a whitening solution either twice a day for about 30 minutes or overnight for a few weeks, depending on the level of staining and your desired results. Some tooth sensitivity during treatment is normal, but it usually goes away shortly after the process is complete. Your dentist will also provide care instructions for both your teeth and trays.